Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Let's kick off with some football, shall we? The Reggae Boys will be hoping to bounce back to winning ways as they face Saudi Arabia in the second of two friendly internationals in Riyadh on Tuesday. Simon Preston has a preview.
On Saturday, the Green Falcons ended Jamaica's 7-match unbeaten run with a 3-0 victory. This was also the first time Jamaica were losing a game by a 3-goal margin since 2017. Saudi Arabia, on the other hand, extended their unbeaten run at home to 7 games. Despite the defeat, veteran defender Kemar Taxi Lawrence expects a better performance from the team on Tuesday.
I think that now that we have our legs under us now that we had a couple training together, now we're really going to push to get the victory on Tuesday. We're really going to push them back, really come out to win this game. Saturday was, we didn't train all week, and then we're trying to do some of the things that we know we should, and we know how we want to play. And it just didn't, come off the way we wanted to. But the camp is positive. There's no doubts. And we take responsibility. I think it's positive moving forward.
Striker Javon East says the result on Saturday is in the past.
Well, the team is focused on winning on Tuesday, and the Saturday result is behind us. And on Tuesday, we are going out there to give everything. Left everything out there and try to win that game.
The likes of Daniel Johnson, Norman Campbell, Greg Lee and Ravel Morrison all made their debut on Saturday, and Lawrence feels they are great additions to the squad ahead of the World Cup qualifiers next year.
Honestly, I think the squad is a very intelligent squad. We have a bunch of smart guys, a bunch of talented players. It's really just about putting everything together right now, And this is what this training camp is really for. Overall, on the pitch, we're definitely trying to work to bring it together as fast as possible because, to be honest, our real games, our vital games, should say, are next year. All of them are next year. So everything we're doing right now is just a work in progress. Working to build out from the back.
The game versus Saudi Arabia will be Coach Theodore Tappa Whitmore's 100th game in charge of the national team. His record reads 51 wins, 16 draws and 32 losses. Kickoff is at 11:30 a.m. Jamaica time. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.